Nvidia currently dominates the AI chip market, holding an incredible 95% market share. So it might seem puzzling that they just spent a staggering $20 billion to acquire a company called Groq. But let's be clear, this isn't just another simple tech acquisition. It's a move that points to a market shift that almost nobody saw coming. We're talking about a fundamental change in the world of AI that has the power to reshape everything. So let's dive into this apparent paradox. That $20 billion paradox starts to make perfect sense once you understand a concept called the Inference Flip. For years, all the big money and focus in AI was on training times massive models, and this is where Nvidia's GPUs reigned supreme. But now, the game is changing. Those powerful models are no longer just in training. They're being put to work in the real world, a process we call inference. And as it turns out, inference plays by a completely different set of rules. This critical shift from training to inference has created an entirely new battleground for AI dominance. It's a battleground where Nvidia's traditional strengths were suddenly facing a serious challenge. And Groq, it turns out, had built the perfect weapon for this new battle. Their major innovation was integrating superfast SRAM memory directly into the processor itself. This clever design completely eliminates a classic computing traffic jam known as the von Neumann bottleneck. The result is stunning. Groq's chip, their LPU, is twice as fast for inference tasks as any GPU on the market. Not only that, but it's also incredibly energy efficient. This unique architecture is tailor-made for sequential, low-latency tasks, like generating text token by token. And that, in a nutshell, is why Groq suddenly became such a serious threat to Nvidia's crown. With its powerful LPU, Groq posed a direct and immediate threat to Nvidia. This left the market leader with a very stark choice. They could stand by and risk losing an estimated 45% of the valuable inference market by the year 2030. Or, they could act decisively to protect their empire. They chose action, paying that massive $20 billion for Groq's assets. Ultimately, this move wasn't just about acquiring impressive technology. It was about eliminating a dangerous competitor from the board entirely. You could call it a preemptive strike, designed to maintain market leadership at all costs. So how should we view this deal? Was it a genius strategic move or a classic monopoly play? From Nvidia's perspective, it's a clear strategic win. They've neutralized a threat and acquired critical talent in one fell swoop. For Groq's investors, it's obviously a massive and successful return on their investment. But for the broader market and for healthy competition, this is a significant blow. This deal further consolidates Nvidia's immense power, and you can be sure that regulators are watching very closely. What's clear is that this acquisition signals a new era of consolidation in AI infrastructure. The big question that remains is, will this pattern of dominant players buying out innovative challengers continue unchecked?